Hello, my name is Hannah Worster, and I'll be giving you a presentation on how to design a PowerPoint. First part is the amount of bullet points you put. Be very selective. Most people, they only understand about 7 things when you put them up on the screen. The next is color. Using color is how you strike the audience emotions. If you use blue or something, that might mean that it might be sad that you're saying. The other part is whenever you use color, you have to be very cautious on when to use it because it might convey a different point in your presentation. Next, it's what can the audience see? Is it blurry? Is there too much on the screen for them to see? The next is using images and text in the same slide. By doing this, it allows the audience to keep focus on the image, but also the text that's on it is kind of like a sticky note. Kind of how whenever you read a book and you just underline or highlight the important parts, it helps them to remember it better. Next is don't be afraid to use negative space. By doing this, it allows the audience to remember the image more than all the words that you try to put on the screen. The last thing is just to keep it simple. Don't overdo it. There's nothing for the audience if you put too much on there because they're not going to remember. Just remember to relax. Does it make sense? Is how I would put it. And I hope you learned something from this presentation. And have a great day.